Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? It's RP Soccer and I'm with my friend Owen. Sup. And we're gonna go travel around the camp. It's Reyes Creek Camp. There's a lot of bugs here and you can find squirrels. Squirrel right there.
So tiny.
Do you like the camp home? Yeah. The bathrooms are pretty bad. It's right there. But it's
What do you mean pretty bad?
Shut up, don't cuss. And we're gonna go visit a creek, a little creek. We're gonna go to like this bridge, but first we're gonna go through this little path to the creek.
Yeah, we're gonna explore until the bridge.
Yeah, there it's private property.
Past the bridge.
A lot of people are over here and stuff. They're
So then the thing.
yeah. So there's a lot of campers here, so we can't go just like cut through it. So we're gonna go through the sidewalk to the creek. There's two ways to get to this creek, by the way. Other campers over there. Those are the like rangers over here. So like, look at this really cool stream from there all the way to there. It's pretty cool. Now we're gonna go to the other part, which will connect to the place. And then there we have like a little dog, just trying to catch fish. Come on. Are you tired already? These bugs are like so annoying.
They're even bigger. Nice.
Okay, here we're on the way. There's a little path there, which we just found out on the way. So this is the first path here. And here it is. Pretty cool. There it goes all the way there and connects to the other stream we saw. Okay, now we're gonna go to the other path to see the other one. God. There's a lot of animal homes here, so we have to be careful. So here it is. We still haven't found out if there's any fish here, so we're going to the place where there might be any fish, to the bridge. There might be fish there, so it's pretty cool. Yeah. So now let's go back. It's a pretty good camp. Hey, which one's your favorite camp out of all of them? And from 0 to 10, what do you rate this camp?
Now, 7.
Yeah, come on. Let's go. One's coming towards us. Oh my god.
If it starts like coming, barking at us and jumping at us, I don't know what it is.
No, it's fine. So guys, we just found one of the dogs, and Oma and me, we're sorry, but we missed it. It was friendly, right, Om?
Yeah, that's funny. There's 4 dogs that live here
Yeah.
with the owners. That live
They'll
in
just
town.
come by if you like barbecue at Reyes Camp.
That's what the camp ranger said.
Yeah.
Well, now you already know what one looks like. Which one do you think that is?
I don't know. Bye.
What?
So guys, see you in another video. Bye.
You know the